Under construction, beautiful Aberdeen Floor Plan, ranch, with finished bonus room. Master suite and 2 bedrooms on main level with 2 full baths. Finished bonus with 1 full bath upstairs. Great room with fireplace is open to dining area and kitchen. Engineered hardwoods in the living area downstairs, carpet in bedrooms and bonus, tile in all baths. Lawn maintenance is included in HOA fees along with clubhouse and pool. Annualized HOA fee is billed in January and payable by March 31st. Buyer to verify square footage. Photos are taken from similar floor plan.